Hello guys, welcome back. I'm your host, Lennox Lenape, and today we're going to be doing something very simple, very easy, very painless, which is purchasing a domain name. Now, once you purchase this domain name, you can get so many good uses out of having this. All right? So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe to the channel. And let's go ahead and begin the process. So first thing you want to do is come over to GoDaddy. All right. Now I already have a domain name purchased. So we're just going to go through the process and I'll show you what it looks like after you purchase one. So let's say the domain name I want to purchase would be lennoxlenape.online. All right. And hopefully none of you guys go out there and buy this before me. Please don't, because I plan on buying this later. All right, as you can see here, we have an exact match, Lennox Lenape Online. It looks great, looks good. Let's go to make it yours. Okay, let's hit next. All right. So as you can see, you get free domain name privacy for life. You can opt in to full domain protection, which is $11.99 a year. For the sake of the video, we're not going to get that. All right. And you also have the ability to sign up for an email. Now, with the domain name I purchased, I actually did sign up for email, right? Which I chose the 365 email essentials. But for right now, we're just going to continue to the cart. All right. All right. So it looks like it's wanting us to, looks like I have two in the cart. So let's go ahead and delete this one. All right, select the 1 year option. And as you can see, the total should be a little over $12. All right, see, we got the domain name listed here. We got the subtotal. Let's click on ready to pay. All right, so it looks like it's asking us to log in. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, forgot to mention you do have to create an account if you plan on making any purchases on GoDaddy. So if you haven't done that, it only takes a few minutes. Let's go ahead and get that out the way. All right. So we're going to give it a second and we're going to allow the 6-digit code to come through. All right, there it is. Let's see. 3. All right, continue. There it is. All right, and as you can see, the subtotal for this particular domain name, which you can view your items right here, Lennox Lenape Online, will be $1.17. So after that, you would go to complete purchase. Now, after you complete your purchase, it's going to bring you to a few screens that basically says, hey, here's what you can do with your domain. Do you want to opt into this product or that product, right? But eventually, it's going to bring you to a screen that looks something like this. This is the domain name that I purchased. And it should eventually bring you to a dashboard like here. All right, you can easily go to domain and it's going to show you where you can pretty much manage all the settings dealing with this domain. So you can manage the DNS, domain settings, forward the domain, and that's pretty much it on how to purchase it. Now, the next video, we're going to dive a little bit deeper. We're going to deal with A records. We're going to deal with renaming your VMs. That way you can have the IP address of your VM point to the domain name. It's going to be very fun. But for right now, we just want to start off with the basics on how to purchase. So you guys make sure you go out there, you purchase your domain names, and you get started using them. All right. So that's pretty much it for today. Stay tuned. Be on the lookout for the next video where we dive a little bit deeper on all the uses we could get out of purchasing this domain name. Once again, I'm your host, Lennox Lenape, and I'll see you next time.